Welcome to Singer Funday 2014. Is Michelle Fuller from the Port Antonio branch. I want to big up everybody from the Port Antonio branch. We love them. Where you say, Farad?
Yo, I'm here fun where I don't get straight.
Up, 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 up.
Yeah, yes,
it's a up, man. It's a occur.
Back here, Michelle.
Okay, that's it from Port Antonio. Big up everybody.
Hi, I'm Kimisha from the King Street branch singer. I'm having a blast. It is wonderful here. I can't wait for the paint party. It's going to be a blast.
King Street, you know, Kingston branch. They don't know everything alright. We love everything we go on. Girls them alright, everybody alright. Bigging up warehouse crew, all over crew. Just we have a wonderful day, you understand? And time.
Funday, aka Panfrog from Singer Warehouse, 14.5 retirement road. I tell them say warehouse on a lot. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, them for know say allegiance to the region from the service department. You see me I say? And we say yo, big up all our singer, cause you know say from as a singer we are winner. Yeah.
You know a genius, nobody laugh kind of lyrics, everything serious stuff girl want be with us. And me I say in a service, make sure you heard this. How you say nobody laugh. And me I say singer, you don't know so we are the winner, you know.
Right now. Yo, me I say up. Right now they are singing a trip. So my co-worker them mid-sing.
Mid-sing, Johnny.
You see it? Stephanie.
Yeah.
Dixon.
Right.
Doing, aka Cheesy, yo. Ewa. When I forgot Janine. You know who that? Legion. You know what I say? Big up Mr. Michael himself. You see it? You know who this? The service department. And without we, you know the thing can run as it. So big up singer. All the way. Right now, watch out. Don't even know how much hand me have. Wait. Yo, hold this here.
Yeah, you see right about now. Tell you the truth. Right now, my cup full.
My name is Shelly Ann Reed and I'm from the Crossroad location. And this is Dixon from Warehouse. And trust me, the vibe here is great. Fantastic.
All who come from Portmore Pines. All who come from King Street.
Hi.
All who come from the warehouse.
Bang, bang.
Because a warehouse, the thing start from. Without the warehouse, there wouldn't be any stores. You know what I mean? So big up Ninja.
Bang.
Real team. You know what I mean? Big up Navi. Big up Bonds. Big up Miss Jenny. The real lady who do the after cleaning. You know what I mean? I'm mad get a thing on a way they are life and in living colors. You know what I mean? Represent for singer. And we are enjoy ourselves because money well spent. You know what I mean? Who want to talk again, talk? Bang, 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 bang. Oh.
Hi, I'm Kim and I'm I'm from the Angels branch. I'm the accounting clerk. And yeah, I'm enjoying myself. I can't drink, but still a good turn up.
We're here with Heather, who is a PR person for Singer, and she's gonna tell us about how our day has been so far.
Well, I'm having a wonderful day. I'm having a great day. I'm actually looking forward to the water and paint party later on. But for now, I am having a wonderful day. The staff is having a good day, and we're happy to be here as a Singer family, having a wonderful day.
Here's the lead bartender, Andre. Andre, how's day been so far?
So mucho. Up and up and up and up and up and up.
I'm Fian, I'm from Singapore Portmore Pines branch, and I'm enjoying myself so far. It's been a fun-filled day, and wish to do this again soon.
Hi everybody, I'm Roxanne from Portmore Pines. We're having fun. It's awesome. Big up yourself. This is Kedisha Maitland from head office, and I'm having a blast.
Singer 2014, trip shot. Nah lie. I enjoy myself. Money well spent.
Very well spent.
If I 8 grand or 250 a month, the money well spent. Drink enough, eat enough food, and more food that if I eat same way, I will still enjoy myself because Funday a galore. Know what I mean? Yeah. Big up Miss Jenny over there, so. See her there? Miss Jenny, looking at the camera, because we have a big up, you know. Alright. Right. Aaron, take Susie phone and do one. Do one for someone. You can be yellow call. Big up Carl Francis in the USA. You see me? Anywhere in the USA, I'm there. I general lot. Man.
The Singer Family Funday. This is the water party and water and paint party section. Right now people are getting wild. We're about to move in and hear what some people have to say about this. Brother, what do you think about the Funday so far?
Yeah, party shot, trust me. Funday good. Turn up. Isn't it? Music good, food good, water good, painting good, everything good. So you say turn over. Yeah man, turn over man. Alright boss. Bless up myself.
Yo, the thing a shot, brother. When they see what going on right there, so the people that might enjoy themselves.
Well, I show the people more go on.
Oh, party have one. Party shit! Alright, it's a party turn. Over!
It has been good so far. First time here, new to the Funday, but it's okay.
That's okay. What was the most fun part for you?
What I'm seeing now, the paint.
So
paint stuff. My day is good so far. Just the food was a little late.
But
everything else jiggling.
What was the most fun part for you?
Most fun part, sitting and watching the water party.
Look at this beautiful, beautiful lady.
Bartender slash, helper slash, cook slash, everything. The place turn up, bro. We're having a good time. I just came for the best and show the sharpest party. Don't know the thing gone.
How was your day on this?
It was good, dog. I was tired. It was good. It was worthwhile.
The real big man. How the my brother? Yo, tell me what fun here, bro.
Great, but that's great. Mad thing. But I have this tomorrow, next day.
So you say slap well?
So I say on the pork and what? Pork and mad. Pork, we can't stop it, pork.
So I best part idea.
Yeah, man, the pork and the best part idea. The girl them dashing in their party. Girl them dashing in them baths out from Go West and from Bloodclean, Lace, Fifth Avenue. Oh God, man, crazy, mad thing. As long long as we have liquor and food, we're alright. We don't want not no more. Alright, my brother, bless up yourself.
Mr. DJ.
Well, right now, I sing a sports day me there and it's a good looking shampoo. I want to tell you one knock of bread. You see me, no wet bread. Party is a good look. You don't know what blocks they are represent. Advescape me I represent for big up the whole I singer staff them. Everything good. They know the thing good. Look more from now when we touch it again, a murder.